Hello, guys. I am Shakia, the professor of HS Inc. 365 LLC. We are the parent company of Silaholics Anonymous, where I teach you how to master using Silhouette Studio for all of your creative design needs. The Honestly Speaking brand, which is our baby, and this week culminates our 2-year anniversary. So this week, we're going to have all sorts of deals on classes and products. And then, of course, we also are the parent company of 365 Creative Academy, where I help you to unlock your creativity through a wide variety of classes. So this week's deal is with our classes, and we're going to have a very, 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 very special flash deal tonight on some of our HS Inc. products. So you don't want to miss it. If you missed my live video earlier today, on August 22nd, 2022, these deals are only valid for today. So be sure to look out for each video every single day for all of the different flash deals, or you can go to our website and click on the banner for flash deals. Sign up for the email as well as the SMS messages so that you don't miss a deal. So let's talk a little bit about what today's deals are. All right. If you are someone who really, really wants to learn how to use Silhouette Studio, perfect opportunity for you. If you have been eyeballing our Essential to Silhouette Studio course, and our 30-day training, it is on sale. You'll get $10 off. So $75.63, it's worth way more than that. I can guarantee you that. But it is available today for $10 off with the code ready for 30. Okay, you'll get $10 off of that training, and it is 30 days of extensive training, going through each and every essential tool of Silhouette Studio, so that, look, there's that flash deal, so that you'll be able to freely design, create, and modify things in Silhouette Studio. And guess what? You don't have to have a machine, and you also don't really have to have any of the upgrades. I teach you how to do these things from the free version, but I also throw in how your life could be a little bit easier if you get any of the upgrades, such as designer or business, which you can always click on the links up here to upgrade to either of those additions. But the 30-day training, get $10 off with the code ready for 30, all one word. Now, want a little bit more of a deal, but you also want to get in on some exclusive deals, exclusive giveaways and trainings and live sessions for HS Inc. month, then you want to get our full access pass. So with that, that is $33.65, and you're going to get exclusive access to a group. You're going to also qualify for an additional entry into our giveaway. You'll get $5 off of a gift card. So that's one of your perks. So you go over here, you'll purchase this for $33.65. So add this to your cart. You're then going to also add, we're going to go to the way. You're going to also add the Essentials to Silhouette Studio to your cart as well. And you're going to enter the code ready for football, because we are about to kick off. Well, football season actually already kicked off because we have preseason, right? Great money makers along with senior time. One of the biggest ones before we hit Christmas season. And depending on your demographic, you might have a lot of sales for fall items. But football is very, very big. That's going to be one of your biggest money makers. And I want to show you how to make designs that's not going to infringe on any of the professional teams. So I'm going to be doing different designs all week long over in the Ink Zone. So if you get access to the Ink Zone, it's $33.65. I'll give you 20% off of the 30-day training if you purchase them together. That code is ready for football. Now, let's say you're not quite sure if you're ready for any of my courses. Maybe this is your first time seeing me. Maybe someone recommended you to our site and you're not quite sure. Well, one of my most popular trainings is the switch up. You will be so amazed at what you can do in Silhouette Studio. And the switch up is this course right here. And you're going to learn how to go from that image that's at the top and be able to create all of these different versions, from changing the lips, the eyes, the earrings, going from 2 puffs to 1 puff, adding any emblem on there. So once we create these amazing designs over in the ink zone, you'll be able to apply those just to a shirt. You'll be able to apply those to make it look like a patch on that hat and sublimate that to a shirt or a flag and things like that. So we're with this one, you're going to learn a lot. You check out the description. You're going to see all the different tools that you are going to learn within this one session. And guess what? It is normally $45.63. Okay. You'll be able to get it for $5.63 with the code C for myself. So if you want to try out any of my classes, see what my teaching style is like, see if you truly can learn from unlimited playbacks, go ahead, give it a try. You cannot combine any discount codes, so you'll have to come back and purchase that one by itself, but it is $5.63 with the discount code C for myself. Now, there is a secret deal on our HS Ink products that is going to release later this evening. Make sure that you head over to the website. When you get that little pop-up, don't click off. Click on it. Fill out the information so that you don't miss any of the flash deals on our HS Ink products this week. All right, y'all. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. And can't wait to see some of you guys over in the ink zone. Until next time, have a great one. Continue to unlock your creativity and be ink credible. Peace.